How to export Telegram chat history. First, open Telegram on your computer. Click on the chat conversation that you want to export the history from. It can be a one-on-one chat with a friend or a group chat. In the chat window, look for three dots or a menu icon usually located at the top right corner. Click on it to open a menu of options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option called Export Chat History. Click on this option. A new window will appear where you can select what you want to export. You can choose to export text messages, photos, videos, and other files exchanged in the chat. Simply check the boxes next to each type of content you want to include in the export. If you want to limit the size of the export, you can do so by adjusting the size limit option. This is helpful if you have a lot of media in the chat and only want to export a portion of it. Once you've selected what you want to export and set any limits, click on the Export button. Telegram will start preparing your chat history for export. After clicking Export, Telegram will inform you that for security reasons, you will need to wait 24 hours before you can download your exported data. After the 24-hour waiting period, you can return to Telegram and download your exported chat history. It will be saved as a file on your computer, usually in a folder where you designated it to be saved. And there you have it. You've learned how to export your Telegram chat history step by step. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep backups of your important conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.